The Riverbend South Access and Restoration Project started in late 2022 and then continued into the spring of 2023. As part of this project, we created 3 access points. Normally, when we're doing river restoration work, we wouldn't put boulders or concrete steps down to the river. But in this place, that was really the right thing for this project. We're trying to create spots where people could go in and out of the river without damaging the riverbanks, creating erosion, and putting more soil into the river. The other thing we tried to create as part of this project is some examples of good habitat along the river. For example, we created an off-channel marsh as part of this project. All along the Deschutes River, there are many areas where there are these off-channel marshes or wetland areas, and this is a small example of that here. It's a place where water is moving slowly and fish can rest or birds can sit and feed on vegetation, and it just gives people an example of how we can restore this type of habitat and bring it into this stretch of our river again. In some of those spots where we had access points that had eroded, we also wanted to rehabilitate those areas. And so we have fenced those spots off. We have replanted native vegetation. We've placed some logs in the river so they're no longer an attractive access point. And through this work, those areas have now become habitat for fish and wildlife and all the species that use this river. This project here at Riverbend South is really an example of how we can restore habitat in an urban area while also being able to connect with the thousands of users and teach them about the importance of these restoration efforts.